Students, as you can see, last time I had explained you about all these things. Okay, as I had explained you this practice question, yes, and I had said that I will be sending you the solution of the practice question also in next. So if you will see, okay, in next PDF I had sent you the solution. Okay, here you can see these all the answers are of practice question only. Here I had written also this is a practice question. So students, last time I had discussed orally and this time I had given you a solution in written page. Okay, so now what we will be doing is we will be studying this lower question. Okay, like here it has been said the two students, okay, the two students A and B solved the same addition, that is 6,74,387 and 1,534 plus 1,534 as follows. You can see here students name has been given, students A and students B. Okay, who solved incorrect? There is the question. Now if you will watch students, then when you will watch the addition you will find both the additions are right. Then what is wrong over there? Of course there is wrong. There is wrong about arranging the number. If you will see here, this 4 is this last 4, this I am saying the last 4 should be at ones place. But when we see over here, it is below 100th place. Below 3 over there it is 4. So what happened? It became wrong according to place value. It has been not been placed. This 4 should be over here below 7 at one's place. This 3 should be below 8. Okay, so this is wrong and this is the right one. Students B solved it rightly. If you will see the next page of the book, okay, there it is shown the answer. Okay, here it has been said student A solved the addition sum in an incorrect way. Incorrect means that is wrong way, because the digit of addend, that is 1,534, are not correctly positioned according to their place values. We can tell the digits, that is the place value, just by looking at its position. Okay, when we look at its position, the digit 1 must have been at 4th place from the extreme right. And what is its place? Its place is 1,000. Digit 1 must be at extreme place up to the 4th. Which digit 1 it is being asked? This digit 1, this here, which one is written below. But it is where? It is at lakh place, so it is wrong. Yes, if you will see at lakh place below 6 it is, and it have to be placed below 4, so this is wrong. Here it is right. If you will see over here, it is just below 4, 1 has been placed, so this you have to understand. Okay, so we can go in the next page. That same thing is being said over here. The digit 1 must have been at 4th place from the extreme right, which is the 1,000 place in the place value chart. Similarly, 5 must be at 100 place, and 3 must at 10th place, and 4 at 1's place. Already I had said that this should be according to place. 5 should be at 100 place, 3 should be at 10th place, and 4 should be at 1's place. So that is not done over here. So student A has done wrong and student B has done right. After this, if you will see, there is exercise 2b. In 2b it is addition. In addition, what happens? Simply you add it. 9 and 1, 10. Okay, 10, 0 will be there and 1 carry over will be there. So again 6, 1, 7 and 1, 8 will be there. Okay students, I am just simply writing here with the hand, but with hand written, with the ball pen written page I had attested over here. So you can see 61718 becomes again here 9110 0 will be there, okay, and then after again 1 will be carried, so 51617 will become over here, and then after 213 will be coming. So it will become 37080. If you will see, I had sent that solution page is also over here. If you will see, yes, 378080, 37080 is the answer. Okay. Okay, if you will see the next question over here itself, same question I had copied and I had written. If you have got a book, you can watch it on the book at page number 30, or in PDF I am sending. You can copy the question of PDF in the page, and then you can watch this video again for knowing exactly that question is there or not. I hope all of you had got the book. So now if you will see here, I had added 8 and 0, then it became how much? 8. In same way 6 and 1 7, then after 5 1 6, then after 3 2 5 2 3 5, and then after 8 7 15, 15 5 carry 1, and there is no number, so 1 is as it is. In this way, in same way you can see over here I had added in question number C 8 and 3 11 carry 1, okay, and 8 1 9 and 3 12 2 carry 1, so 7 1 8 8 5 13 3 carry 1, so again 7 1 8 8 5 13 3 carry 1, so again 6 1 7 7 and 9 16 carry 1, and 6 1 7 no number is below, so 7 will be only written. In this way question number C has been also explained. Now if you will see question number D, there it is 3 numbers in rows, so we will be adding 3 digits. So if you will see 8 and 2, 10 is over there, okay, and 1 is carried, 10 0 is written over here, and 1 taken carry, so 1 and 2 3 3 4 7, and 7 and 5 12, 2 is there, and again 1 carry over, so 4 1 5 5 6 11 11 and 4 15, so 5 is written over here, and 1 is carried, 7 1 8 8 4 12 12 and 3 15, 5 is there, and carry 1 is there, so 5 1 6 6 3 9, and 9 2 11 is over here. So in this way what happens, question number D is also added. If you will see question number E over here, that is also same addition. Here it is 0 plus 8, that is 8, and 0 plus 3, it is 3, 3 plus 2 5. Now 7 plus 4 11, 11 and 5, it is 16, so 6 carry 1, 9 1 10, 10 3 13, 13 3 carry 1, 9 1 10, 10 2 12, 12 4 16, 6 carry 1, so 1 1 2 2 1 3 3 3 6, so it has been written as 6 and no number front. So this becomes how to solve. Actually I am putting the point while I am explaining, so that you can watch how I had moved and up to where I am going and how it is being added. Always you have to add from where? Once. Don't add it from last side. From this side we can't add directly, okay? We have to add from one side, this side, okay? From this side we will be adding. Here also in F you can see 9 and plus 3, 9 and 3 is 12, 12 and 8 20, so 0 carry 2, 9 1 10, sorry 2 is carry there, so 9 2 11, 11 and 1 12, 12 and 6 18, so 8 is there, carry 1, 9 1 10, 10 1 11, 11 5 16, 6 is there, carry 1, 7 1 8, 8 3 11, 11 4 15, 5 is there, carry 1, 5 1 6, 6 2 8, 8 1 9, 9 is there, and no carry is there, so 6 2 8 is over there, okay? In this way it has been also added. If you will see question number 2, in question number 2 it has been said add, okay, and after that adding it has also been said to write in word. I will show you the question. Here you will see arrange the columns and add together the sum obtained in words. So first question it is, what it is, 79,422 and 22,312. So you can see I had added it in the solution page, 79,422 and then after 22,312. So 2 2 4 it is, then after 2 1 3 it is, 437 it is. 92, okay, 437 it is, and then after 9 to 11 it should become, okay, and here it has been written 99. Okay, 9 to 11 it should become, and here it is 9. So students, what you will do, you will write here how much, 9 to 11, sorry, how much you will be writing. Here it has been made a mistake. You can correct at your home by yourself. Such mistakes occurs, okay, while making. Sometimes it becomes mistakes. That's why after making you should match the answer. So 437 it is, and then after 9 to 11 1 will be there, okay. There will be no 9, there will be 1, and carry 1 is there, so 1 will come over here, and 7 to 9 and 1 10 will become, this will become how much, 10. So in this way you will be making. If you will see question number 2, then its answer is wrong due to by mistake, okay. One mistake is there, so of course even I am saying you how to make it. What you will be doing, you will be adding and you will be writing there 101,734, and in word what you will be writing 1,01,000, how much, 1,01,734. I hope you all are understanding it. It will become 1,01,734. This is mistake 1. By mistake there occurred mistake, okay. So now we can move forward for next question, that is question number B, okay. If you will see question number B over here, it has been written how much, 56,324, okay, and 12,348, okay. So what we will do, we will add these two. Even students sit by keeping the book and watch the questions. In questions digit might be written, might happen such, as you can see 1 had been happened. So you can see over here it is 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 carry 1, 4 and 2 6, 6 and 1 7 is there, okay. 1 carry gone over there, so 7, and in same way 3 3 6 is over here, and 6 2 8 is over here, and 5 1 6 is over here. While explaining, of course, if there will be any mistake, it will be caught. So that's why it has been said after making once you have to see it back again, okay. But also sometimes mistakes occur. So 68,672 will become the answer. So now we will move towards third page, okay. That means the third page of my solution. This is the second page of the solution which I am sending you, okay. Now in there C and D question is there. If you will see C and D question in your book itself, then you can find, okay. And always when I am explaining, please sit with your book. In C there is 25,762 and 12,900, and another it is 679. I had just drawn line over there, so it is not clear, okay. So I had spoke the number, and there I had written the number. You can see 56,324, okay. The C number, sorry, C number question is there. So you can see 27,500, okay, 25,762, 12,900 and 679. I had added 2 and 9 because 2 and 0 it will be 0 itself. So sorry, 2 and 0 it will be 2, and 2 and 9 11, 11 1 is there, and 1 carried up to 6, so 6 1 7, 7 and 7 14, 4 is there, carry 1, 7 1 8, 8 9 17, 17 and 6 23, so 3 is there, carry 2, 5 2 7, 7 2 9 is there, and then after 2 1 3 is there. So in this way you will be adding. It's very simple. While writing in word also you can write it. Just you can see over here I am writing in the word, written 39,341, okay. In same way, if you will see question number 2D, there is 428, 7,628, then after 2,34,544. So see, placing the numbers on the basis of its places is important. If you will not place it properly, if I'll write 4 this side, then there will be problem. So 4 should not be above 2 or 3 or 7, okay? Because places matters. Places only also shows that it is right or wrong. So you can put the numbers in proper order. If you will see here 8 and 8, it is 16, 16 and 4, 20, 20, 0, carry 2, 2, 2, 4, okay, 4 and 4, 8, and 2 was there carry. So 10. Now again 1 carry is there, so 4, 1, 5, 5, 6, 11, 11 and 5, 16, 6, carry 1. So 7, 1, 8, 8, 4, 12, 2, carry 1, 3, 1, 4. So it becomes what? 2,42,600. I have written the same thing over here. If you will see question number 3, in question number 3 it has been said add, in word it is add 6,04,024. okay, you can sit with a book and you can see over there, and 89,677, okay, that you have to add, it has been said. Even you can see the question also I had sent over here. So it is in add 6,04,024 and 89,677. so you simply have to write it in figure, that means in number, and then you have to add. So if you will see 7 and 4, it is 11, carry 1, 6, 7 and 2, 9 and 1, 10 is there, carry 1, 6, 1, 7 is there, then after again carry 1, 4, 1, 5 and 9, 5. Sorry, 6, 1, 7 is there, no carry. So 9, 4, 13, 3, carry 1 is there. So 0 and 1, 1 and 8, 9 is there. And then after 6 as it is. In same way 9, 9, 18, carry 1, 9, 9, 18, 1, 19, again carry 1, again 9, 1, 10 and 9, 19, carry 1, again here 9, 9, 18 and 1, 19, so 9, 1, 10. In this way you can add it. If you will see, there is teacher supports, okay. There also one question has been asked, so I will explain you. There also, here you can see the question is there. What is the question? Okay, I will show you. Yes, here it is. Give practice question based on example 7. About this example 7 I will be explaining you just now. Example 7 also, here it is. And what number is 76,661 more than 15,224? So when it is asked what number is 76,661 more or any number more than the 15,224, then what you will do, simply you will add those two numbers, because more means what? Increasing. And when it is increased, then you have to add it. So you can see over here I had done addition. Yes, here I had added 76,661 and 15,224. And what happened? 4 and 1 5, 6 and 2 8, 6 and 2 8, 6 and 5 11, 1, carry 1, 7 and 8 1, 9. So what happens? I had written, so 91,885 is 76,661 more than 15,224. Whenever it is said to find a more number, this much more, then you will add that much. You will see after this there is exercise 6 solution, but before that I will explain you example which has been given before exercise 2C. You can see over here addition stories. What is the question? A library had 53,241 books in record last month. 1,259 more books were added in this month. How many total books are in the library now? So here see, total means you have to add. Here in word problem you have to do in the same way, and if you will see, I had also solved the word problem in the same way. Okay, some disturbance has came, so I will just remove this disturbance just now, and then again I am explaining you. Okay, some problem is there. Let me close this. So if you will see, Yes, we came back. Addition stories. A library had how much? 53,241 books in record last month, and 1,259 more books were added in this month. How many total books are in the library? So you will write the problem in word. Number of books in the library last month is how much? 53,241. Number of books added is how much? How much more it has been bought? That is 1,259. So 1,259 and 53,241 has been added. 9110 549 and 22415. Carry 1 is there, so 5, and then after 314 and 5. So total number of books now is how much? 54,500. Thus total 54,500 books are in the library now. Okay. If you will see the next one, 7th one example which I was explaining you before this, was saying teacher support. Yes, that is also a word problem only. You can read it. It is what? The construction cost of building A was 6,49,900 and that of building B was 8,50,000. Find the total construction of both buildings. So total construction of both building will become what? Total, whenever it is said, you have to add. Total means adding. So here you can see in word it is. So word problem should be written in a statement, and a statement is given: construction cost of building A is equal to rupees 6,49,900 and construction cost of building B is 8,50,000. Both are added. Total construction cost becomes 14,99,900, and hence at last in sentence it has been written. Thus total construction cost of both the building is rupees 14,99,900. Okay, so these statements should be written. Okay, even last line also should be written, but statements plays a great role. Okay, so if you will see the solution, in every solution I had written the statements, then the answer comes. This last line also can work as a final answer. So let's see question number 2C. The first question is what? 3,291 applications were received by company for a job through post, and 7,888 applications were received online. How many total applications were received by the company for the job? So when you will see, students, now a time also you all are reading online, and of course these applications are sent online also. If you can see in our school also there are several online facilities. So online and by post, both the application had been sent, and it has been asked what is the total application. Total means again you will add both. And if you will see, I had written over here the question number 1. Okay, in same way. Okay, here came white. Let me see. Yes, what is the disturbance came? Yes, if you will see one number, I had written number of application received by post. By mistake, if you will see here before giving you, I found my mistake. Okay, and I had written in place of this 3,291, I had written how much? 3,921. Just 2 and 9. Just see, one is small space number interchange, then the solution becomes wrong. Okay, that you have to keep it in mind. So there should be not the displacement of number. There was the displacement of number, so I had changed the number again back. When I watched the answer, then I found no, this is wrong. And where I had done mistake, I had searched, then I found, oh, the number was 3,291, but I had written 3,921. So there was the mistake. Then again I had changed the number. 3,291 is the number in the question. You can see over here 3,291 is only there. What is their number? 3,291. So what I done? I had written over there 3,291 only, and below number of application received online, it is 7,888. Now it both has been added, 819. Then after 9, 8, 17, 7, carry 1, 213 and 3 8 11 1 is there, and again carry 1 is there, so 3 1 4 and 4 and 7 it will become 11. So total it becomes how many application? Hence total application received is equal to 11,179. That is not 1 lakh, 11,179. So now if you will see the next question, that is the question number 2. This is Maria bought a second hand car for rupees 4,44,400. Okay, she bought over there, and then after she spent rupees 80,000 on its renewal and accessories. How much did it cost to her? You have to write that total cost. Then when anyone buys, and then after when we apply for the repairing also for the use, then repairing is also considered as the cost only. So here I had written in solution purchase price. Okay, purchase price is equal to 4,44,400, and then after money spent on its renewable and accessories, it is 80,000. Okay, then when both two are added, it becomes 5,24,400. Hence total car cost for Maria is 5,24,400. This is the way how you will be explaining and making the word problem. Okay, some students what they do, only simply they add and leave it. No, word problem should be solved in statement wise. So now we will move towards the third question. As you can see, today I will complete your this what saying, complete your exercise 2C. So in 2C there is what? 3 number. There are 39,425 men and 38,500 women and 43,345 children in a town. Find the total population of a town. Again here total came. That means we will be adding these 3 numbers. If you will see over here, in 3 number I had written at first the number of men in the town is equal to 39,425. Again the number of women in the town is equal to 38,500. Then the number of children in the town, that is 48,345. So at last I had written hence total population is equal to, population of the town is equal to, I had added. Total means add. So 5 and 5 10, 0 carry 1, 2 and 3, 3 and 4 7, no carry, 5 4 9, 9 3 12 2, carry 1, 9 1 10, 10 8 18, 18 8 26, so carry 2, 3 2 5, 5 3 8, 8 4 12. So as it is, you can see I had written 12 at last, because after that there is no number, so no carry over, it will go. So it becomes how much? 1,26,270. Okay. Now if you will see question number 4, it is a garment factory made 24,608 red t-shirt, 18,432 blue t-shirt and 30,005 black t-shirts in 3 consecutive weeks respectively. How many t-shirts were made in these 3 weeks? Okay, there is a question, how many t-shirts were made in these 3 weeks? So what we will do, we will add. Here also it is saying in 3 weeks, that means total 3 weeks are there, so total we have to find. So if you will see in question number 4, here I written number of red t-shirts made is equal to 24,608. Number of blue t-shirts made is equal to 18,432, and number of black t-shirts made is equal to 30,005. So now what happened? 8 and 2 10, 10 and 5 15, carry 1. Okay, and 3 and 1 4 it is, carry 1 was there, so and all are 0 only. 6 and 4 10, so 0 carry 1. 4 1 5, 5 and 8 13, 3 again carry 1. So 2 and 3, 3 1 4, 4 and 3 7 is there. So hence total number of t-shirts made become how much? 73,045. If you will see question number 5, here area for farming in valley. In valley area of farming is given, that is 3560 square meter is there. Okay, actually areas are measured in square meter. You will be knowing about this area, why it is measured in square meter in higher classes, and you will be also knowing even few steps about the areas in this class also in geometry section. Areas is the product of two length, so meter into meter becomes a square meter. Okay, your elder brother, if they are reading, they are knowing well why it becomes a square meter, because meter and meter are multiplied. So if you will see here, the remaining area of the valley, it has been given in question, that is 2956 square meter. So total area of the valley is how much? 6516 square meter. This is the way how you have to solve. If you will see question number 6, okay, this 5 number was find the total area of the valley, so I had added. And in question number 6 it is, two sisters Kasni and Kasbi went for the shopping, each carried 25,750. Here word each plays a very important role. Each means both the sisters have this much rupees, this much rupees. That means Kasni also have got 25,750 and Kasbi also carried 25,750, and father gave each of them again. Father gave to Kasni also 1350 and to Kasbi also 1350. So here it has been said how much total amount do they have now for shopping. So if you will see, I have to add this both number twice times, because two person have got these same numbers. Okay, even Kasni had also this 25,750. You can see solution, then you can understand in more better way. You can see here I had written money taken by Kasni for shopping 25,750, money taken by Kasbi for shopping, both have got, so 25,750. Money given by father to Kasni, that is also 1,350, and money given by father to Kasbi, that is also 1,350. So total money taken by them for shopping is how much? I had added 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that will be 0. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, so 0. Again carry 2, 20 is there, so 2 carry, 7 to 9 9, and 7 16, and 7 16 and 3 19, and 19 and 3 22, so 2 I had written, and again carry comes 2 over here. So 5 to 10, 10 5 15, 15 1 16, 16 and 1, oh sorry, 5 to 10, not 5 to 7, 7 5 12, 12 1 13, 13 1 14, so 4 carry 1, and then after 2 1 3, and 3 to 5, so it is 54,200. Total money taken by them I am writing, that means together both Kasbi and Kasni is how much? 54,200. If you will see, this is the last question, so I have written few notes. Okay, the note is what? Changing the order of organ and the addend does not change the sum. What does this mean? This means when we change the order, like 2 plus 5 or 5 plus 2. 2 plus 5 also it is 7, and 5 plus 2 is also 7. So in order of changing, what happens? The sum doesn't change, the result doesn't change when we change the order. Either we add 2 first with 5 or 5 first with 2. In both cases the answer comes 7. And another is I had written order property of addition is also called commutative property of addition. That means writing 2 plus 5 or 5 plus 7 different way and showing both are equal, that is the commutative property of addition. Okay student, so here about properties of addition also explained. This ordering I had said itself, and teacher support is again there. Recall the addition is performed when two or more group of things in number are put together and when increase in quantity takes place. That means when there is increases take place, then we add. Total means what? Increment is there, so addition should be done. Okay, in same way you can see over here it has been shown this ordering. Here it has been added that 4 8 9 6 and 5 3 5 6. is also equal to 5356 plus 4896. Okay, here both A and B, both the questions are there, and then after it has been asked the next question. In A, this side, this left hand side portion is there in question number A, and in B what happens, 5356 is kept first, and then after 4896 is kept. You can see these two are the both addition, only the ordering is changed, and it has been asked that either both of them are equal, this A number and B number, both answer comes equal. Of course it will come. If yes, write your conclusion. Then conclusion becomes what? That changing the order of the organ, the addend does not change the sum. This is only the conclusion. Okay, so if you will see next page, okay, same thing it has been done. It has been added at first 4896 and 5356. You can see the sum come how much? 10,252. Okay, in same way if you will see over here also 5, this one is gone up, this top one has been gone up. Here if you will see what happens, this top one has gone up. Okay, so I will take the pen to show you. Okay, this time yellow color I will be taking. Okay, see over here. So what happened here, this below goes up and this up comes down. Okay, here you will see 5356 is up and 4896 is down, and while adding 6612, 9514, 115, carry 1, then after 314, 4 and 812, carry again 1 and 5 6 and 14, 0 is there and there is no number, so 1 is there. So in this way it is added. Okay, if you will see the next question, it is the same way. 6612, carry 1 is there, 1 and 9 10, 10 and 5 15 is there, carry 1, so 819, 9 and 3 12 is there, so again carry 1, 112, 246, 415 and 5 510 and 1 is there. So what happened in both the cases, answer comes same. So here it has been written yes, these both are equal, that is 4896, that means 4896 plus 5356 is equal to 5356 plus 4896. We conclude that changing the order of the augment, augend and addend does not change the sum. Order of property of addition is also called commutative property of addition. These two I had sent you in note. If you will see grouping property, 3 addends grouped in ways give the same sum. Now this was about the 2 addends. There were 2 numbers, but what here it has been said, if there is 3 number also, then by grouping also the sum doesn't change. If you will see over here, there is a question, find the sum 2968, 8567, 5328 by grouping them in 2 ways. Is the sum obtained in both ways same? Let's see by grouping what it has been done. Here it has been added 2968 and 8567 at first. Okay, and then what the sum comes, that is 11,535. With that the last number if you will see over here, okay, that is 5328 has been added. It came how much? 16,863. Now again in next way what it has been done, it has been added these 2 number at first, 8567 and 5328. You can see in the next one, and it came another number, that is 13895. Of course we are adding 2 different numbers and different, but in this 13895 we had added the left one, this first number, that is 2968. What we got, the final sum same, 16863, 16863. Okay, so from here what we can conclude, by changing the order or making the different group also. If there is 3 number also, okay, any 2 added first doesn't disturbs the result. So this is another property. This is called grouping property of addition, and this is also called associative property of addition. You can see at first these 2 are added, bracket means work is done first, okay, and then 5328 is added. And in another case what it has been done, these 2 are added first, and then after 2968 is added. In both the cases, in this case and in this case, both the cases what happened, answer came same. So if you will see now below, property of 0. What is the property of 0? 0 is also known as identity property of addition. Identity means what? There is no change in the number. That is, when we add 0 to any number or 0 is added to any number, the number doesn't change. Here only it has been solved. 46,759 plus 0 is 46,759 only. Or 0 plus 46,749 is 46,759 only, okay. So this is property of 0. Now the last page for the today is property of 1. What happens when we add 1? Yeah, you might have read in your lower classes also. When we add 1, what happens? It gives the successor. When 1 is added to any number, the sum is the successor of the number. It gives over the number which comes just after that number. As you can see, 4282 plus 1 is what? 4283. And 78,999 plus 1 is what? 79,000. Here is teacher supports, okay, this is for teachers only. Although I am explaining line to line, so I will speak and I will make you understand why it is given. Even you can read by yourself in your home also. So it has been said, take simple examples such as 7 plus 8 plus 3 and tell students it is easier to add 7 and 3 plus 8 instead of 7 and 8 plus 3. Why it is easier, you know? Because it becomes 10. 10 and 8, 18 easier, and 7 and 8 it becomes difficult. Why? Because it becomes 15. See, 10 plus 8 we can easily do 18, but 7 and 8, so there can be confusion for students, okay. But in both the cases answer is same. This is only the associative law of addition, okay. Tell with the help of examples that there is no other number except 0 when added to a number gives back the same number. Yes, of course, you just check in your home itself. You add any number to the given number, the number changes. But when we add 0 to the given number, the number doesn't change. So 0 is only one such number, okay. And after that, if you will see here below also, the number it has been shown, 1 has been added, the number changed, it became 174, which is not 173, it has been written over here. 5 is done, and so on, it can be shown. Now if you will see exercise 2D, I will be writing this and I will be explaining you in next day. Here the same ordering property is there, nothing is difference. 8576 is there, so here it will be coming 9352. Yes, this number will be coming over here. This number will be over here, that is 9352. Why? Because it has been said while in addition order is changed, then no problem is there. So here also, here we will be writing this number, that is 22295, that means 22,295 will be in this blank, and this number will be at this blank. So rough sketch I am explaining you how to make it. Here also the same thing. This number will be coming in this blank. Order is only changed. Here also same thing. If you will see, this 799 will be coming this side. Here the same number will be there, because 0 when it is added, no difference is there. Here what will happen? 0 will be there, because something plus 0 also gives no difference. If you will see in question number 8, if there will be 0, then there will be no difference. Now after that, if you will see in question number 5, yes, this first number will come over here, this second number will come at second place, it is associative property, and this third number will come at third place. Okay, no changes will be there. Associative property is there is no change in order. In same way here also 29573, that means 29,573 will be in this blank. Why? Because it is the property of 0. 0 is added to some number, then the number result will be the number itself. So what is there in result, that number will be only there added to 0. If you will see question number 9 and 10, okay, up to 8 I had already explained that there should be 0. So 9 there is 1 when it is added, then it gives successor. So you will subtract 1 and you will writing over here 5,999. Okay, so 1 will be added, then it will become 6,000. Okay, if you will see here it is 5,29,999 plus 1. So 1 is added, 1 it will be increasing more, it will become 5,30,000. It will become 5,30,000. Okay, how many zeros? 4 zeros should be there. Okay, we will be writing 4 0. Now if you will see, there is subtraction of 5 digit and 6 digit number. Actually addition and subtraction are also of same type itself, and this is the last page, so I will try to explain you each and everything present over here in this last page, so that I will be giving you this page also, because I will be giving you the written solution of this page. Okay, so with that written solution we will be knowing how to make that exactly. I had given the ideas today. Okay, so subtraction of 5 and 6 digit number. Let us recall method of subtracting 4 digit number. What we had done, write the smaller number, subtract below the greater number. Greater number should be always at the top. If you will see here, minuend is greater and subtrahend is smaller. A smaller number will be subtracted from greater number. Subtract ones from ones, tens from tens, hundred from hundreds, and thousands from thousands. Okay, here is also carry our provisions. Okay, but in this first question it is no carry over provision, because all the below numbers are either smaller or exactly the same number. Okay, in next example it will be carry over taking numbers also. If it is a smaller number at the top and bigger number at the below and it is not being subtracted, then from the higher places we can take carry over. So if you will see here, it is subtract the ones. Here it has been shown how to subtract. Okay, use the same idea for 5 and 6 digits, like over here 7 minus 5. Okay, it will become 2. Yes, we will be adding using the pencil over here, that is 7 minus 5, it becomes 2. Then after 7 minus 3 it will become 4. Then after 9 minus 8 it will become 1, and 3 minus 3 it will become 0, and then after 8 minus 7 it will become 1. So it will become 1 0 1 4 2. Okay, in this way it should be made and it should be done. Okay, so that's all for today. I have taken this much space for explaining you today. So next day I will be explaining you after this page, and I will be sending you the solution of this exercise 2D and 2E. As you can see, today I had discussed 2 exercise. Although I had given only one exercise solution this time, next time I will be trying to give you 2 exercise solution, and I will trying to explain you 2 exercise, so that easily you can do it at your home and there will be no any disadvantage to you of this lockdown. So till then, thank you and bye bye to all of you. Take care and do the work properly. Thank you very much.